For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a garage business can be a rewarding venture, especially for those passionate about automotive repair and customization. With the rise of artificial intelligence, many aspects of launching and managing this type of business can now be made more accessible and affordable using free AI tools. From planning to marketing and operations, AI can help you move faster, make smarter decisions, and reduce startup costs. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you start your garage business using free AI resources. Step 1. Define your garage business concept. The first step is identifying the type of garage business you want to run. Will it be a general auto repair shop, a specialty performance tuning garage, a tire and oil change center, or a mobile repair service? Use ChatGPT to help brainstorm and refine your concept by asking it for guidance and comparisons. ChatGPT prompt: give me a list of profitable garage business models and explain the pros and cons of each. I'm considering launching an auto repair shop in a suburban area. ChatGPT can analyze various business models, industry trends, and local factors to help you pick a viable concept. You can also ask follow-up questions to narrow down your niche. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. Once you've settled on a concept, the next step is writing a business plan. This document outlines your goals, services, market analysis, pricing strategy, startup costs, and financial projections. Use ChatGPT to help generate a professional business plan. ChatGPT prompt: write a detailed business plan for a small auto repair garage that offers oil changes, tire rotations, and brake services. Target audience is middle-class car owners in a suburban neighborhood. AI tools like Notion AI or Google Docs with AI extensions can also assist in formatting and organizing the document. Grammarly, free version, can improve grammar and tone for professional polish. Step 3. Conduct market research with AI assistance. Understanding your competition, potential customers, and market demand is critical. You can use ChatGPT and Perplexity.ai to perform competitive analysis and demographic research. ChatGPT prompt: what's the competitive landscape like for auto repair garages in insert your city or zip code? What are underserved services in this market? Use Perplexity.ai to search for current statistics, local directories, and Yelp or Google review summaries to identify competitors' strengths and weaknesses. You can also use Google Trends to identify seasonal demand patterns for garage services. Step 4. Choose a business name and branding using AI. Your garage business needs a strong name and brand identity. Use Namelix, free AI business name generator, to brainstorm name ideas based on keywords, tone, and style. For logo design, Canva's AI-powered logo generator can help you create a professional logo without needing a designer. Brandmark.io also offers free logo concepts. ChatGPT prompt: suggest creative business name ideas for an affordable, reliable auto garage targeting middle-income families. Include meanings and taglines. Step 5. Register your business and get permits. Before operating legally, register your business with your state and get any required licenses or permits. Use ChatGPT to generate a checklist based on your location. ChatGPT prompt: what licenses, permits, and insurance do I need to start an auto repair garage in your state/city? This will help you know whether you need zoning clearance, environmental compliance documents, or special certifications. You can also ask it to explain each item in simple terms. Step 6. Plan and design the garage layout using AI tools. AI design platforms like Planner 5D or Floor Planner offer free tools to create a digital floor plan of your garage space. You can simulate where lifts, workbenches, and storage areas will go. ChatGPT prompt: help me design a basic layout for a 2-bay auto repair garage. Include equipment zones, waiting area, and staff workspace. These tools allow you to visualize an efficient layout and optimize space for safety, workflow, and customer comfort. Step 7. Set up equipment and inventory planning with AI. You'll need equipment such as car lifts, jacks, diagnostic scanners, and hand tools. You can use ChatGPT to generate a startup equipment list and pricing estimate. ChatGPT prompt. List the essential tools and equipment needed to open a full-service auto garage. Include average prices for budget startup. To manage inventory and track tools, try Airtable's free AI templates to build a simple inventory tracker or service log system. Step 8. Build a marketing plan using AI. Marketing is critical to attracting your first customers. Use ChatGPT to help create a complete marketing plan, including online, local, and referral strategies. ChatGPT prompt. Write a marketing plan for a new auto garage. I want to use local SEO, Google Business, flyers, and a referral program. You can generate social media content calendars with tools like Buffer's AI Assistant or ChatGPT. For graphics, Canva's free AI image generator and design templates will help you create flyers, Facebook ads, and promo coupons. Step 9. Launch a website and online booking system. Having an online presence is vital. Use Wix or WordPress with free templates to create a website. You can use Durable.co's free AI website builder to generate a basic business website in seconds. ChatGPT prompt. Write homepage content for an auto repair garage offering fast, honest service with ASE-certified mechanics. Emphasize affordability and convenience. Set up an online booking tool like Calendly, FreePlan, to let customers schedule services easily. Step 10. Create an AI-powered customer service system. Offer responsive customer service using AI chatbots like Tidio, FreePlan, or ChatGPT-based FAQ systems. These tools can handle inquiries about services, availability, and directions. ChatGPT prompt. Write responses to common customer questions for an auto garage, like, how long will my oil change take? And do you offer warranty on brake repairs? You can also use Google Business Profile, free, to manage reviews, post updates, and engage with local customers. Conclusion. Starting a garage business has become more accessible and affordable than ever thanks to the rise of free AI tools. With AI-powered help, you can generate business plans, design layouts, automate customer support, and create data-driven marketing, all without expensive consultants or large teams. The key is to use the right prompts and tools at each step to guide your decisions, automate repetitive tasks, and maintain a professional brand image. With consistent effort and smart planning, your garage business can hit the ground running and scale over time. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.